There is a methodology that companies around the world are using to improve their processes and save billions of dollars. That's right, it's called Lean Six Sigma, and it's the key to taking any business to the next level. Get ready to discover a world where efficiency is the star. What is this, a Lean Six Sigma? Lean Six Sigma is like the ninja art of process improvement, combining two powerful philosophies, which aims to eliminate waste and make things faster, and Six Sigma, which focuses on reducing errors and improving quality. Together, they form a methodology that transforms companies, making them more efficient and effective. Does the industry need this type of profile? Of course! Organizations around the world, from manufacturing to services, are seeking experts in Lean Six Sigma to optimize their operations. Having these skills makes you a valuable resource because you can help any company become more competitive and profitable. In other words, you will be the hero who saves the day by improving processes. What will you learn in the Lean Six course? Sigma from VLA. At VLA, you will learn from the fundamentals to the most advanced tools of Lean Six Sigma. You will start with key concepts and then dive into the DMAG methodology. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. You will use tools like Excel and Minitab for statistical analysis and develop real projects that will demonstrate your skills. In the end, you will be ready to obtain the Yellow Belt and Green Belt certification, which are your credentials for success. And what is it like to study at VLA? At VLA, we are committed to ensuring you truly learn how to work. You will learn from certified professionals with extensive experience, and we will provide you with all the support you need, from unlimited tutoring to assistance in finding a job with VLA Jobs. Here, your success is our priority, and we will prepare you to achieve your goals. See you in the virtual classroom.